Hey, last December I did a sale of a Utricularia Peter Rabbit for somebody from Mexico, but he was visiting a friend in Texas. So I had the plant sent over to him there in Texas, but he also bought some plants from California Carnivores. Unfortunately, the shipment was delayed, and so he had to go back to Mexico. And the plants arrived at his friend's house well after he left. And so it's been about a month and a half. And he went ahead and sent it to me. And he said I could have it if they're still alive. So let's see what we see in this box. I have no idea what's in it, but let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Let's see what we can see. This box definitely been through the ringer. It's got dings all over it. We'll see how these plants are. I think there's temperate Drosera. Let's see. Yep, California Carnivores. And what's in the box? It looks like Drosera hybrida Florida and Drosera Dreamcicle. So there's a couple of Droseras, temperate Droseras. Okay. 2 pots. I'm going to be checking for their hibernaculars and see if they're still firm. Oh, they're definitely, they look like they're alive, but they're definitely yellow. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, there's a little fungus gnat in here, still alive. Not anymore. All right, so you can see, wow, it's really kind of blanched almost looking. The chlorophyll's almost all gone in there. I am going to probably put this in a shadier part of my outdoor table setup, just so it doesn't get shocked too much from being reintroduced in the sun. Although I don't get a lot of sun right now anyways in my yard. But let's see. Get the rest of the packaging off. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that is technically, I think, still alive. We'll see how it does. And it's still kind of moist too, so that's pretty fantastic. Get the tag on here. All right, oops, sorry guy. This is the Drosera hybrida. This was the Drosera Dreamcicle. It's probably a good thing that these plants are in hibernation going through this. If this were like Venus flytraps in summer, I doubt they would be even alive. Also has that kind of blanched look to it. All right. And yeah, that one also still feels kind of moist. All right, so there you go. I'm going to go ahead and put these in my yard, and hopefully they'll just start taking off.